In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a versatile and powerful tool that helps you manage your projects and organize information efficiently. However, navigating through large spreadsheets can sometimes be a bit overwhelming. One of the key ways to make your Smartsheet experience smoother is understanding how to conveniently zoom in and out of your sheets. This can greatly enhance your visibility, allowing you to focus either on the big picture or intricate details. Let's dive into it. When you're working in Smartsheet, you'll often find yourself wanting to adjust your view for better clarity and focus. Perhaps you need to zoom out to see your entire project timeline at a glance, or maybe you need to zoom in for a closer look at specific details. Fortunately, Smartsheet offers a simple way to zoom out using keyboard shortcuts, whether you're using a Windows computer or a Mac. If you're using a Windows computer, all you need to do is hold down the Control key and then press the -sign key. And for Mac users, it's just as straightforward. Hold down the CMD key and press the -sign key. These shortcuts work instantly, reducing the scale of your sheet and showing more overall context in your view. With each press of the -sign, Smartsheet zooms out further, providing a more expansive view of your data. This can be a real-time saver if you're managing extensive information and need to navigate through it swiftly. Now, let's say you've zoomed out and want to return to a more detailed view. You can easily zoom back in by using another keyboard shortcut. For Windows users, it's Ctrl and the +sign key. Mac users, you'll use CMD and the +sign key. This will incrementally magnify your view, allowing you to hone in on specific rows or columns as needed. It's a quick way to toggle between the broader overview and the finer details. It's important to note that these keyboard shortcuts are global. That means they will work regardless of what you're viewing within Smartsheet. They offer you flexibility and ease as you work through different sheets or projects. By mastering these shortcuts, you can significantly streamline your workflow, making data manipulation and visualization much more efficient. To sum up, knowing how to efficiently zoom in and out using these simple shortcuts can greatly enhance your productivity in Smartsheet. It empowers you to customize your view according to your current needs, providing both clarity and a comprehensive understanding of your project data. Whether you are managing a large project timeline or need to focus on specific data points, these shortcuts are invaluable tools in your Smartsheet toolkit. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're able to apply these tips to optimize your Smartsheet experience.